welcome back to our channel, guys. So here we have another bathroom renovation. Yes, another bathroom renovation. This is not our home. This happens to be my husband's client. This happens to be the second bathroom that my husband renovates for them, as he worked on a previous bathroom, right, honey?
Yes, I did.
So together we're gonna finish this bathroom. So stay tuned and see how it comes out. I want you guys to pay close attention. While my husband was recording, I kept telling him to be careful, and...
Oh, my goodness.
Hey.
I landed inside the tub. Oh my God, watch that step, bro. Watch that step. Dang. I was trying to film and do before. I stepped back and my butt landed right in the jacuzzi. What? My wife, look, oh my God. Oh my God. This is something else crazy.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Let's start. He's being a show off right now.
What?
Come on.
What? You gotta have fun. It's still only Tuesday. We can just do this. You gotta have fun. And disconnect this plumbing. Get all this out of here. Get a nice bucket. Put this water in here. There we go. Shut off your hot and cold supply. Hopefully that's gonna be shut off, because sometimes you find those valves that are just so frozen, even if you think they're shut off, they're not. So just snug up on one with a pair of pliers like this. Just like that. And tell me what to do. There you go. You out. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So now we have our hot and cold that have been disconnected. Now I have to get my screw gun and get this vanity out of here, because this bolt, see those screws right there? It's holding it to the wall. Let's get that out. There you go. I think she's shy, but she's gonna come on out. That's it, so. Let's go. You don't live here anymore, honey. You don't pay rent. Yeah. Where are you at? Oh, you want to still on that? Disconnected set. Hold on a second, I'll get you out. I thought you were gonna be a little shy.
10 minutes later. It's still paying rent.
Says he's got a couple of dollar bills in his pocket. Think you gonna stay up in here? Oh, you don't know. Let me grab you by the gooseneck. There we go. You ain't paying nothing up in here. Get out of here. High five, 3. Here she goes. It's gonna come right out on you. Be careful.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, there she goes. What?
Go ahead, baby.
There we go.
Oh, freaking good. Babe, get those behind there.
What?
Wallpaper.
Oh, goodness. Oh, man. Yeah.
Oh, it's coming out.
You got a friend up in here. What? I tell you don't pay around here. Ooh, give me hope you don't come down on me.
For real?
Wait, this is a spinner. I can't do nothing like that. I'm just gonna pull that thing right down. Like that! Yeah! Wallpaper! Yeah! Alright, guys. You always want to wear safety glasses. I forgot mine at home, and we were about 30 miles into the boonies. Into the woods, and I'm not gonna drive all the way back home to get the safety glasses. I'm sorry I don't have them. I'll have them tomorrow.
Why are you apologizing? They're your eyes.
Because I'm trying to represent the safety glass organization.
Oh my gosh, stop it.
Just like that. Time to clean up. All right, we got the vanity out, we got the mirror out, and now we're on to
The shower. So guys, I'm demoing the shower by myself, but I wanted to tell you guys an important thing that you cannot forget. Always make sure when you're demoing the shower to always cover the drain.
So now here what we're doing is we want to do this with a crowbar and a hammer around plumbing. Yeah. Oh, this is a beast.
I'm taking out all my anger.
Woo! Go ahead, baby.
And it all comes falling down to the ground.
Around. That makes demo so much fun. Alright. Time to clean up, baby. Alright. Time to clean up. That's how I came up with it. You never put down caulking on a toilet.
Why?
Yeah. Because if it isn't a problem, then you won't be able to detect it. Because there's a seal on it. If it's done correctly, you don't have to seal it.
Greg, do you think you're Hulk?
Yes, I am. With a tan.
Hulk with the tan?
And all this. We're gonna get you later. We're gonna clean up first. There it is. Yep.
Private.
Looks like you repipe this drain. The It's okay, because I'm gonna just, it's coming.
It's gonna be a
here.
shower anyway, it's gonna be back.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Okay.
just cut it here and just pop it in.